I'm about to make some Bliss balls. So at the moment I've put in a pile of mixed dried fruits that I got from the supermarket bulk section, and I'm just going to blend them up, and then I'm going to start adding the rest of the stuff. Mix them up. I'm going to start adding some other things. I've got some walnuts that I'm going to add in. I've got some pumpkin seeds, some sesame, they're not sesame seeds. Oh, I can't remember what they're called. Sunflower seeds. Pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and some chia. So they're all going in. This is the kind of consistency you're looking for. Everything finely blended but not liquid. And we're going to roll these into little balls. So I'm just going to wash my hands and get that ready. Right, so basically you need a container to put them in, and one of these. I tend to use about half a tablespoon to 3/4 of a tablespoon because they fit into the little containers that I use for the kids' lunch boxes. So you're basically just rolling them up into a little ball like this, and then just chucking it in there. Really easy. Here we go, lots and lots of balls. So what I'm going to do now is chuck these in the fridge for about half an hour, and then I'm going to melt them with milk. You can do anything with them. You can cover them in coconut, you can cover them in chocolate, you can do what have you. Obviously I'm doing chocolate today, but I need them frozen first. So I have made some in the dark chocolate, and then I'm going to do the rest of these in white chocolate. But as you can see, I mean, this one's set already. So yeah, once they're set, you got to keep them in the fridge. Is it good?
It's like one of those muesli bars.
That's the idea. They're a Bliss ball with a chocolate covering. All done. Just got to wait for the white to set, and then I'm going to put them back in a container and store them in the fridge so that they don't go off.